what you gave it when you were avoiding it. Mm-hmm. You know, okay, you know what? I know I need to do this, but then when you sit down and buckle down and do it, even the little detail before the apple comes, you realize, I just spent 4 hours doing this. I got so much done, and it was easy. Mm-hmm. Like, it wasn't hard. Mm-hmm. You know? Everybody always feels good when they leave the gym. Mm-hmm. But getting up to go to the gym, before you actually build that habit of you being a gym person, nah. Mm-hmm. It's like you can all the reasons and excuses in the world, but then once you go and you're done, you're like, okay, that felt good, and it was easy, and it's an hour, a half hour, 2 hours out of my life.
That's actually good shit, because I'd say somebody being in the gym 25 years, where it's never been a question, because I've always had a deeper getting control of my body, and I recognize, as you were saying, that like psychologically for me, that third day of soreness, like nothing better. Like knowing that, for me, that's the maximum when the recovery and everything was just creeping around. Like, fuck, it was leg day 2 days ago. Mm-hmm. Yep, right on time.
And that soreness feels good.
That's the reward. Like, I earned some shit. Like, yes, this is building.
I earned this
supposed to be that way. That's beautiful shit, man.